Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to do the unboxing and a quick review of this digital LED clock. Hit that like button and let's begin the video. So this is the box packing, which is very simple, and towards the back side they have mentioned few features of this clock, and this clock also has a temperature sensor, which is quite nice. Now let's open up this box and let's see what we have got inside this box. As you can see here, we are provided with of course a digital LED clock, USB power cable, CR2032 battery for timekeeping during the power outage. Also you will get a stand and an user manual. Now that's a fantastic looking clock. The build quality and the finishing of this clock is really good. Let's talk about the physical overview of this clock. Towards the front, we have this 7 segment simulated display with PM indicator as well as alarm indicator. Towards the top, we have these 3 buttons to set the time or date or alarm, and also to control the brightness of this clock. Towards the back side, we have this battery compartment, a wall mounting option, alarm on off switch, and another switch to set time and alarm. This clock can display 12-hour or 24-hour time format, and it can also display the temperature in degree Celsius or in degree Fahrenheit. And the most important thing is it can also display the month and date as well. To power up this clock, just plug in this USB cable into USB outlet, or you can use a smartphone charger which has USB port, and also make sure that the charger's output has 5 volts DC. Alright, this clock has 3 different levels of brightness. First, if you keep in this mode, the brightness level will automatically dim down in the evening, and again it will go to full brightness during the next morning. But if you want to manually dim down the display brightness, you can toggle through these 3 settings, and also you can completely turn off the display as well. This clock has 3 different display modes. Here I am using mode 1. In this mode, it will display time, date, month, as well as the ambient room temperature. In case if you want only time to be displayed, you can select different display mode. This clock has alarm feature, and I will show you how the alarm sounds like. Talking about the price, I purchased this product on Amazon for Rs 999. Also, I have provided a link down in the video description. So that's it guys. If you have any doubts regarding this clock, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Also don't forget to like this video, and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.